Most guys who want to dress better start by asking the wrong question. They ask, what should I wear? When the real question is, what do I actually want to look like? Those are two completely different things. And until you answer the second one, the first one is basically impossible to get right. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find your personal style step by step. Not vague advice. Not a Pinterest mood board from 2019. An actual process you can follow today. Before we get into the steps, I want to explain why most guys never actually find their style. It's not because they don't care. It's because they keep borrowing. They see someone they think looks good, like an influencer, a celebrity, a guy on the street, and they buy what that person is wearing. And then they look in the mirror and it doesn't quite feel right. And that's because style isn't a look you copy. It's a language you develop. And like any language, you have to start from scratch. The good news, it's a lot simpler than people make it out to be. The first step is figuring out what you're drawn to. And you can't do that if you've only ever seen a limited range of what's out there. So the first thing I want you to do is go wide. Not to copy, to discover. Open Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever you naturally consume content, and start saving everything that makes you stop and think, that looks good. Don't overthink it, don't filter it, just save. And do the same thing in real life. When you're in the city, on holiday, anywhere with people, pay attention. If someone's outfit makes you look twice, ask yourself what it was. Was it the shoes, the color combination, the way it was proportioned? Train yourself to notice. After a week of doing this, you'll have maybe 30, 40, 50 images. And at that point, something interesting happens. Patterns start to emerge, even though you weren't looking for them. Which brings us to step 2. This is the step nobody does, and it's the most important one. Take everything you've saved and go through it asking 4 questions. 1. What's the dominant color palette? Are you drawn to neutrals like black, white, cream, navy? Maybe warmer earth tones, dark tones, or even vibrant colors. Look at the images as a collection and the answer will be obvious. 2. What pieces keep repeating? Is it tailored trousers, leather footwear, overcoats, loose linen shirts? The pieces that show up most in what you've saved are probably the pieces you actually want to build around. 3. What accessories are in the images? Watches, chains, rings, a specific type of bag, or no accessories at all. Accessories tell you a lot about the direction someone's style is going in. 4. If you had to describe the overall vibe in 3 words, what would they be? For me, that means classy, minimal, and elevated. That means nothing loud, nothing that's trying too hard, everything intentional. That's my identity. Once you have your words, write them down. Seriously. Because those words become the brief for everything you buy from this point forward. If something doesn't match those words, it's probably not for you. Step 3. Buy slowly. This is where most guys make the mistake. They get excited, they have a vision, and they go out and try to build an entire wardrobe in 1 week. Don't do that. Here's the thing about buying a lot at once. Every piece you buy is a guess. And the more guesses you make at the same time, the more wrong answers you're going to end up with. You'll have a wardrobe full of things that sort of fit the vision but don't quite work together. Instead, start with key pieces from step 2. The things that showed up most in your saved images. Buy those first, wear them, and see how they actually feel. Not on the website, on you in your life. And before every purchase, ask yourself 2 questions. 1. Does this fit my aesthetic? Not, is this nice? Does it specifically fit the words I wrote down in step 2? 2. Will I wear this for at least the next 3 years? If you're buying something because it's trending right now and you're not sure you'd still wear it in 3 years, put it back. Trends are fine to follow lightly, but your wardrobe shouldn't be built on them. The other thing worth saying here is don't throw everything out and start from scratch. Most people already have a few things that are close to what they want. So start by identifying those pieces, the ones you always reach for, and build around them. Step 4. Evolve. The last step is accepting that this isn't a destination, it's a direction. Because how you dress today will be different from how you dress in 2 years. Trust me. Not because you did anything wrong, but because you'll have more information, more experience wearing things. more clarity on what actually suits you versus what you just liked the look of on someone else. When that happens, and it will, go back to step 1. Get re-exposed. Update your mood board. See if your words still hold or whether they've shifted. For me, when I started this channel 9 months ago, my style was heavily influenced by what I was seeing online. Old money, quiet luxury, the aesthetic that was everywhere. And those things genuinely resonate with me. But over time, I've developed a more specific version of it. Slightly more personal, slightly less the algorithm told me to wear this. That's what the process looks like in practice. It's not one big revelation. It's a gradual narrowing. Now, I want to give you one shortcut that makes all of this easier. Find one person, just one, whose style consistently makes you think, I want to dress like that. Not a celebrity, not an influencer with a team of stylists, someone real at a scale that actually feels attainable. Study what they do. Not to copy it, but to understand it. What colors do they wear? What silhouettes? What's their relationship to accessories? What brands do they gravitate toward? Use that person as a reference point while you develop your own version. And over time, your version will naturally diverge from theirs. That's the point. You're borrowing a starting direction, not a destination. So, to summarize. Step 1. Get exposed. Consume broadly, save everything that makes you stop. Step 2. Build your identity. Extract the patterns and write down your words. Step 3. Buy slowly. Start with the key pieces and apply the 2 questions. Step 4. Evolve. Accept that this is ongoing. That's it. It's not complicated. What makes it hard is that it requires patience, especially in a world where you can buy something new in 30 seconds and have it the next day. Style that actually feels like yours takes longer than that. But it's so worth it. Because once you have it, getting dressed stops being something you think about and starts being something you just do. Let me know in the comments what 3 words describe your style. Also, make sure to check out my videos on accessories and shoes if you want to start building out some of those key pieces. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.